I've always said that property management is a misnomer. Over 38 years in the industry, I've discovered that you don't manage property, you manage people. I'm Kim Ottaviani with Rex Rentals and Realty in St. Petersburg, Florida. We've been putting together this video library of information for you because so many people contact us during the week, and we love talking with you, but we thought if we had a library to answer your questions that it would be just easier, and it could be done in the on your time schedule, not necessarily both of our schedules. The thing is we're going to be talking about, as we have been, is what do you do before you buy your property? What do you do while you're working on your property? And then most of all, how to take the time to market the property. Those three things are constant and they're going to be regular, and you want to put them in a great pattern of operation. You got to remember, this is a business now. This isn't just a weekend thing that went, oh, I'm going to become a millionaire because I saw it on TV. It really doesn't work that way. It's a lot of work. And we're going to try to take that burden off of you. Getting your property after you own it for rent is very important. Managing the tenant and how to find the proper tenant to fit your property is vital. I've always said that property management is a misnomer. Over 38 years in the industry, I've discovered that you don't manage property, you manage people. You do maintenance to property. And no matter how good your skill sets are, sooner or later, you're going to have that one tenant that slips through the cracks, and you're going to discover that now I have to do an eviction and end up in court. That's okay, because if you have everything else in line, the court case will fall in your favor and you'll be doing great. We're going to discuss these in greater detail as time goes on, but I just thought I'd bring you up to speed on what we're trying to accomplish here with you. I'm Kim Ottaviani with Rex Rentals and Realty. Thank you for tuning in.